Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to the Mahindra dealer. It's due for service, first service. Crossed around 950 kilometers. 1000 kilometers is the time when you do this take for the first service. First service is basically just some checks. They are not going to do anything else. They will have a prescribed check for the vehicle and make sure everything is fine. And I have booked the appointment for 9:30 using the With You Hamesha Mahindra app. You should use that. It's good. It connects to your vehicle and keeps all the information with the vehicle, so that's a good thing. Specifically, I don't have any complaints. I'll just talk to them and ask them about some accessories if they have received it. I want to check if they have received the seat covers. The seat cover is good, it's not bad. And one more thing, I heard many people have commented that there are some things that you can fix in the back side, the armrest especially. And if I have something here, the storage is very less, so it's very difficult. It would be good if we can have some storage, at least something here like we have in most of the vehicles. And only that small one is there. That's nothing, you cannot keep anything there. It's very small. Namaste, first service.
First service, sir. Kilometers what is, sir?
942. So guys, got the service done. It took just 2 to 3 hours. First thing what I did was, yesterday I used this With You Hamesha app. You can download this app. It's available for iOS as well as Android. You can download that app and you can book the appointment using that. Even the time slot is available. You can check which slot is available, which one is convenient for you, and book your appointment. And once you book the appointment, you will also get the details of the sales or the person who would be handling you. The number would be there, and everything went really well. I went there, a person attended to me immediately and asked me if I have any complaints, any issues. I had nothing, so they checked the vehicle and they took the vehicle. The first service is done after 1000 kilometers. I had drove around 950 kilometers and I have some plans to go for a long drive, so I thought I'll get the service done. And I need to fix my permanent number plate also. It is ordered. I am expecting it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so before my long trip I'll get my number plate done. Overall good. The vehicle is really good. I don't have any trouble. The mileage thing, which actually has an indicator which we can go through, so that sometimes when I look into that, and especially when I'm driving the cities, the mileage is roughly around 8.5. But when we go for a long drive, I did try some long drive after that also, it gives better, maybe 10, 11. That's all. That's what we should expect, I feel. Maybe after some time it may change. Let's hope so. Even my other car, I have never checked the mileage, which I've been using for 5 years. As I got a lot of questions from you guys, so I thought I'll check this. And I did something additional. The service is free, completely free. Basically, they don't do anything, they just do all the checks. If everything is fine, the wheel alignment is fine, or any other problem is there, so that because the next service is after 10,000 kilometer, what they did was they did underbody protection system that is called MaxiCare Premium Underbody Protection, which is like they put some protection for the underbody which is needed, they say. I am not sure, I didn't do for any of my other vehicles, and it cost me roughly around 3,000 rupees including the taxes and that service. So I got it done, and it is recommended to get it done, it seems. So that went well, and after the service they washed it and gave me the delivery. Now I need to take it only after 10,000 kilometer, or if there's any trouble. The service went well. So the next part of this video, I want to talk to you about a new development which is going to come, or which may come. That is scrapping of old vehicles older than 15 years. This, I don't know how people would accept it. It's going to be really tough, because many of us use vehicles which are older than 15 years, and in India, like, we have attachment to our vehicles. So after 15 years, if the vehicle is getting scrapped, that's going to change a lot. There are reasons for that, definitely. The first thing is pollution. The second thing is when the vehicles are scrapped, these vehicles would be reused. So there would be a recycling process happening. And now what I read or what I understand is the vehicles being manufactured are manufactured with materials which are recyclable or reusable. Once the vehicle is scrapped, that vehicle would be again used to make a new vehicle. Means they just completely recycle anything. It's not that they're going to take the parts and make new vehicle. They recycle the material and use it for making new vehicle. This happens around the world, most of the developed countries. Now India, how much it will take. And one more big reason for this is moving towards electric vehicles. Now, if we still have vehicles which are 20 years old, which are polluting the roads, that we see actually, when especially the big vehicles, smoke comes out and there are no really good checks, even though we have a system of taking pollution certificate, but that doesn't work well, because there are lots of wrongdoings happening there also. You and me know that. Few things may change. Value of used vehicles will come down, because the life is like, okay, if this vehicle is 5 years old, the vehicle price would be much lesser, because they know that this vehicle can be used for next 10 years only, and after that it's going to be scrapped. So that's one thing. And a lot of new vehicles are going to come. The automobile industry is going to change, and the companies coming up with electric vehicles would have a bigger or an upper hand. One more thing, I am not very clear whether the electric vehicles would be scrapped. I don't think there is any reason to scrap electric vehicles. The vehicles which are going to be scrapped would be vehicles using diesel or petrol. Electric vehicles need not to be scrapped. This bill is going to be, or is planned to be, introduced on February 1st of this year, few days ahead. That is going to bring a big change. Don't know how people would react it. I would definitely love to hear from you guys. As far as I am concerned, I am okay, because moving forward we have to take care of the planet. We need to take care of the next generation. We have serious pollution issues, and this could be one of the solutions to come out of the pollution. Using more and more electric vehicles would be a solution. At least vehicles with the BS6 norms. Old vehicles definitely should be phased out over a period of time. That is what I feel. I would love to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts? Definitely there would be lots of emotional answers or comments coming in. But if we have to do things for the future, we have to get rid of pollution, we have to come out of this, we definitely have to move to this electric vehicles and make sure that we are not polluting the cities. Or cities like Delhi, people are really suffering. People especially having lungs problem, are having serious problems. So that's all in this video. Bye for now. Take care.